Did you know there's a real scientific reason behind why so many people they just stop eating non-veg during Navratras? And it is not just about tradition. Of course, tradition is one part of it, but it is also about health and well-being. And ये सिर्फ humans को affect नहीं करता, it also matters for our companion animals, for our dogs as well. So, जब नवरात्रे आते हैं इट्स मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग द ट्रांजिशन टाइम, जब वेदर विंटर से समर और समर से विंटर की तरफ चेंज हो रहा हो. During this period, what happens is our digestion kind of slows down and even our immunity can dip. ऐसी सिचुएशन में heavy foods like meat or too much of oily food, snacks, it can actually make us feel sluggish because they're hard to digest और हमारे system में वो काफी लंबे टाइम तक रहते हैं. And hence people switch to something which is lighter, which is sattvic, which is plant-based, because it helps you cleanse the system. It makes you feel lighter. It keeps the energy levels high. And that is the reason why people during Navratras, especially during Navratras, during the transition period of the weather, they switch to lighter plant-based sattvic foods. So this was the scientific reason that I gave you why people switch to plant-based sattvic food during Navratras. Now, if I talk about the spiritual side of it, spiritually, Navratra is about purity, it is about focus. तो जब आप सात्विक फूड या प्लांट बेस्ड फूड पे स्विच करते हो, it kind of cleanses your body, it makes you feel light and pure, keeps the mind calm, keeps your thoughts clear, which is perfect for prayer and focus. The same thing happens with our dogs as well. जब भी weather transition होता है, even their digestive system kind of needs a break. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy खाना जो बहुत टाइम लगा रहा है प्रोसेस होने में, oily, greasy, meaty food, even that can make your dogs feel sluggish. बहुत low energies उनको feel हो सकती हैं. So it's really important that during this transition period हम उनकी diets कैसे change करते हैं या उनकी diets में क्या add करते हैं या उसमें से क्या हटाते हैं, so that they're able to maintain those energy levels. So it's really important for our companion animals, for our dogs as well. So here are some small tips and tricks that you can incorporate in your dog's daily routine, especially during weather transitions, especially during Navratras. The first one is adding more fiber and vegetables to their diet. Vegetables like pumpkin, sweet potato, beans, they are great for the gut, lighter on the stomach, great for digestion. You can feed them fruits like apple, papaya, but don't forget to remove the seeds because seeds are not great for dogs. Make sure कि आप उनका water bowl में से पानी ही at least 3 to 4 times a day change करें. They should have access to clean drinking water the entire day. And then keep the walks little short, because when the weather changes, again, depending on how your dog is feeling, how their energy level is, just keep the walks short, probably play with them in the gardens if you have access to it. Just monitor how your dog is behaving during this transition period and don't overstress them even during playtime or during walk. So this Navratra, let's just keep in mind this period, this transition period is not just a cleansing period for us humans, but also for our dogs. Just be mindful enough कि उनको इस transition period में क्या चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए. Don't overburden their digestive system with too much of food or too heavy food. Make sure that their food is light and their hearts are full, because these kids depend entirely on you for every small thing. So be conscious and be mindful. Just enjoy this festive season.